Greetings once again, fellow Star Trek fans. I got another video for you guys to show you the new things that came out Star Trek related, and also to show you the upcoming videos that I'm going to be making. I thought it came out pretty good last time. I did an upcoming model video and an upcoming video off the Star Trek collectibles video. So I'm going to do another one because I actually found more stuff to show you. Plus I got two goodies to show you that are brand new. This one, of course, being the Hallmark Star Trek The Motion Picture USS Enterprise refit. This just came out and I was very happy to get it. Let me show you. It's the 40th anniversary of Star Trek The Motion Picture, and this is the USS Enterprise refit. You can check out a lot of my Christmas videos. I show you the Hallmark ornaments, Star Trek related. You can check those out on my channel. I got some more. This one is not new, but it's new to me. This is the All Good Things Admiral Riker's USS Enterprise NCC 1701D from Star Trek The Next Generation. You can see that that's really cool. And keeping Star Trek related from Star Trek The Next Generation, with the Hallmark theme going, I have the USS Enterprise NCC 1701C Christmas ornament. If you remember yesterday's Enterprise, although this is not battle damaged. This is when she's all new looking. So that'll be another Christmas video. And the last Hallmark ornament that I have to show you right now is the Klingon battle cruiser. You remember from Star Trek The Motion Picture, the opening scene where V'ger attacks them and destroys 3 of them. So that's going to be a great video. And I got a couple of old things to show you that I'll be making. One of them is Star Trek. Well, obviously they're all Star Trek, but this one is the Klingon Bird of Prey. And what makes this one different is it has a clear dome, a clear, like a disc that goes into the dome base, and it makes it look like it's in flight. So I got this one off eBay, and I'm excited to make this one. You remember Star Trek The Motion Picture. This is actually the Bird of Prey, commanded by Commander Crude, who destroyed the Enterprise, well, responsible for the destruction of the Enterprise refit. They confiscate it, Admiral Kirk. They end up taking it to Earth. They go back in time, and they bring back 2 humpback whales, George and Gracie, in this ship. Let's see that side. Let's see if I can find a scale on here for you. This is by AMT Ertl. And there's nothing on the back. Well, there actually is the AMT information on the back. And, of course, this is a depiction of Vulcan. So I'm in a hurry to do this one. Let me put that one back. Another oldie but a goodie that I'm really excited to do. Again, it's AMT Ertl. Let me move the Enterprise C for a moment. I'll put it right there. This is the USS Enterprise NCC 1701D, but this one has the fiber optics. Now they did come out with a clear version. With this one, you have, they'll give an actual drill, and you have to drill out all the individual windows. Let me show you the finished model. But I don't know, I think it would be easier to paint it and then drill out all of the little windows as opposed to having the entire thing clear and masking off all the windows. I just don't see how that could be easier than doing it this way. But I'm not good at the modeling anyway. I do it because I love Star Trek and I enjoy showing you guys my mistakes. Anyway, I'm looking very much forward to doing this one. I believe this was 1990. Let me see if I can. This is, by the way, it's kit 8772, skill level 3. And I usually see a date to tell you guys. 1994. You can see it right there. And this is a pretty hefty kit. Looking forward to doing that. And I got something else brand new. I showed you the Enterprise refit from Hallmark that just came out. That's brand new. Now I'm going to show you this. This is Revell, and this is brand new. This is actually the Enterprise NCC 1701, my beloved favorite. And she actually comes with lights and sound in this one. Show you the pictures on the side. And it's German, because it's Revell from Germany. Revell, excuse me. And this is going to be a really, really fun kit. I ordered this previously, and when they shipped it, because it comes halfway around the world to here, they shipped it in a plastic bag, and it was totally destroyed. And I didn't want to seem petty or anything, but I was afraid to open a box just because I didn't know if anything on the inside was broken or destroyed. But I got this one, the replacement. Very nice. You see the box art. Interesting thing about Revell is that on these kits they don't wrap it in shrink wrap. They actually just kind of put tape on it. But that's fine. This is going to be an exciting model to build. And they show Captain Kirk on the cover. And our beloved Starship Enterprise. NCC 1701 Constitution class. So that's going to be great. Keeping the same theme for the Revell, let me move the Bird of Prey for a moment. I also have the 50th anniversary set from Revell. This one is really going to be fun too. This is the USS Enterprise NCC 1701 and the USS Enterprise NCC 1701. So I think that's Into Darkness. Yep, Star Trek Into Darkness. So this one has two model kits. It actually comes with the paint and the glue. I don't know if I'm going to use the paint or the glue yet. Again, it's from Germany. I'll show you the sides. I also have the lighting kits. One of them is from, let's see, TrekModeler.com, I think, and the other one, I'm not sure. I gotta double check them. But I do have the lighting kits for both of them to make them screen accurate. Of course, I got the Enterprise lighting kit. The nacelle, the Bassard collectors on a nacelle will not be spinning. I don't believe they will be. There's no motors and there's no circuit board. It's just lights. So I gotta see because I bought the lighting kits a while ago. I was waiting for this to come in. So we'll see what the Enterprise lighting kit will be. I'll show you that when I do the video. The same thing with the Enterprise JJ version. That one does have the rotating blue lights in the nacelles, and that one's going to be pretty cool too. So this is going to be really fun. I'll put pictures up as I go along because I know it's tough to get everything in the frame to show you guys. So I'm really excited about that. Let me put the model of the Bird of Prey back on top. I do apologize. I should have had like a widescreen angle to put everything out so you can see everything at once. But this actually is the collectibles and model kits that I got that I will be showing you in upcoming videos. Incidentally, I was thrilled to get this. I do have the Polar Lights 1350 USS Enterprise, the Premier 1701 edition, meaning that 1701 models were produced. and I got the lighting kit as well. I'm not going to open that up and make it, although I was thinking about it. But I will make a video devoted to that and show you the differences, because you do get things included in the Premier kit that they ended up selling later as separate additions to the kit. Anyway, that'll be another video, and I hope you enjoyed this video of these new Star Trek collectibles, and look forward to making the videos for you, and I hope you watch them, and I thank you for watching my videos. Live long and prosper.